From this video, I would like to explain the construction of a rhombus slope with SA is equals to 4.3 centimeters and OP is equals to 5 centimeters. Hi, this is Madhubabu. The problem is construct a rhombus slope with SA is equals to 4.3 centimeters, OP is equals to 5 centimeters. These are the diagonals of rhombus. So, for any quadrilateral, we need 5 independent measurements to construct a quadrilateral. But here only 2 measurements are given. They are also diagonals. So, from these measurements, how can we construct a rhombus? First of all, try to draw a rough diagram of rhombus. Slope. The first diagonal is 4.3 centimeters, that is SA. Next, diagonal OP is 5 centimeters. Let us go to analysis. In a rhombus, diagonals bisect each other perpendicularly first. In a rhombus, diagonals bisect each other perpendicularly. Suppose the diagonals bisect each other at M. Already O is given, so let the intersecting point of the two diagonals take as M. Then OP is perpendicular to SA and diagonals bisect each other. Bisect each other means it will be divided into 2 equal parts. So OP is equals to 5 centimeters. Then MP or OM is equals to bisect each other, that is OP by 2, that is equals to 5 by 2, that means 2.5 centimeters. So the length of MP and OM be 2.5 centimeters. So with this analysis, we can construct a rhombus. Let us go to the original diagram. First, draw a line segment. SA is equals to 4.3 centimeters. 0, 4, 4.1, 4.2, 4.3. Join line is these points. This is SA. That length is 4.3 centimeters. Next, in a rhombus, diagonals bisect each other. So given one diagonal is over, to construct a next diagonal, diagonals bisect each other perpendicularly. So draw a perpendicular bisector of this line segment SA. Take a compass, take S as the center and take the radius more than half of the length of SA. Take the radius as more than the half of the length of SA. No need to measure this one. By observation you can take. Draw an arc above the line segment SA and as same as below the line segment SA. With this same measurement, take A as center. Draw an arc above the line segment SA and draw another arc below the line segment SA. So, through these intersecting points of arcs, draw a line. Draw a line XY. This is called the perpendicular bisector of the line segment SA. Take the intersecting point as M. SA line divides the another diagonal OP into two equal parts, that is 5 centimeters. Half of the 5 centimeters means 2.5 centimeters, 2.5 centimeters. Now take a compass and take 2.5 centimeters radius with compass, 2.5 centimeters with compass. Take M as center. This 2.5 centimeters as radius, draw an arc. It cuts MX ray at this P. This point is P, and again take M as center. With this 2.5 centimeters, draw another arc. It cuts MY ray at this point is O. So at O. Now you join SO. OA, AP, and SP. So this is the required rhombus slope. This length MP is 2.5 centimeters and this length 2.5 centimeters. So the total length of OP is 5 centimeters. So the construction is over. Next steps of construction. The first one is draw a line segment SA is equals to 4.3 centimeters. The second step is draw a perpendicular bisector XY to SA. They intersect at M. The next step is take M as center, 2.5 centimeters as radius, draw an arc. It cuts MX ray at P. The fourth step is take M as center, 2.5 centimeters as radius, draw an arc. It cuts MY ray at O. The last step, fifth one, is join SO, OA, AP and PS. Therefore, the required rhombus soap is constructed. The construction is completed. If you like this video, please like it and share it to your classmates or friends and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.